Hi there. Welcome to our session on Oracle Database Administrator. In this session, we will discuss about managing resources, scheduler, and globalization in Oracle. First of all, we will discuss about managing resources in Oracle. Oracle Database Resource Manager enables you to manage multiple workloads within a database that are contending for system and database resources. When database resource allocation decisions are left to the operating system, you may encounter the following problems with workload management. Excessive overhead. Excessive overhead results from operating system context switching between Oracle database server processes when the number of server processes is high. Inefficient scheduling. The operating system deschedules database servers while they hold latches, which is inefficient. Inappropriate allocation of resources. The operating system distributes resources equally among all active processes and cannot prioritize one task over another. Inability to manage database-specific resources, such as parallel execution servers and active sessions. The Resource Manager helps to overcome these problems by allowing the database more control over how hardware resources are allocated. In an environment with multiple concurrent user sessions that run jobs with differing priorities, all sessions should not be treated equally. The Resource Manager enables you to classify sessions into groups based on session attributes, and to then allocate resources to those groups in a way that optimizes hardware utilization for your application environment. With the Resource Manager, you can guarantee certain sessions a minimum amount of CPU regardless of the load on the system and the number of users. Distribute available CPU by allocating percentages of CPU time to different users and applications. In a data warehouse, a higher percentage can be given to rollup, relational online analytical processing, applications than to batch jobs. Limit the degree of parallelism of any operation performed by members of a group of users. Manage the order of parallel statements in the parallel statement queue. Parallel statements from a critical application can be enqueued ahead of parallel statements from a low-priority group of users. Limit the number of parallel servers that a group of users can use. This ensures that all the available parallel servers are not allocated to only one group of users. Create an active session pool. An active session pool consists of a specified maximum number of user sessions allowed to be concurrently active within a group of users. Additional sessions beyond the maximum are queued for execution, but you can specify a timeout period, after which queued jobs will terminate. The active session pool limits the total number of sessions actively competing for resources, thereby enabling active sessions to make faster progress. Now let's discuss about Oracle Scheduler. Oracle Database includes Oracle Scheduler, an enterprise job scheduler to help you simplify the scheduling of hundreds or even thousands of tasks. Oracle Scheduler, the scheduler, is implemented by the procedures and functions in the DBMS_scheduler PL/SQL package. The scheduler enables you to control when and where various computing tasks take place in the enterprise environment. The scheduler helps you effectively manage and plan these tasks. By ensuring that many routine computing tasks occur without manual intervention, you can lower operating costs, implement more reliable routines, minimize human error, and shorten the time windows needed. The scheduler provides sophisticated, flexible enterprise scheduling functionality, which you can use to run database program units. You can run program units, that is, PL/SQL anonymous blocks, PL/SQL stored procedures, and Java stored procedures on the local database or on one or more remote Oracle databases. Run external executables, executables that are external to the database. You can run external executables, such as applications, shell scripts, and batch files, on the local system or on one or more remote systems. Remote systems do not require an Oracle database installation, they require only a scheduler agent. Scheduler agents are available for all platforms supported by Oracle Database and some additional platforms. Schedule job execution using the following methods. Time-based scheduling. You can schedule a job to run at a particular date and time, either once or on a repeating basis. You can define complex repeat intervals, such as every Monday and Thursday at 3 a.m. except on public holidays or the last Wednesday of each business quarter. Event-based scheduling. You can start jobs in response to system or business events. Your applications can detect events and then signal the scheduler. Depending on the type of signal sent, the scheduler starts a specific job. Examples of event-based scheduling include starting jobs when a file arrives on a system, when inventory falls below predetermined levels, or when a transaction fails. Beginning with Oracle Database 11 grams Release 2, a scheduler object called a file watcher simplifies the task of configuring a job to start when a file arrives on a local or remote system. Dependency scheduling. You can set the scheduler to run tasks based on the outcome of one or more previous tasks. You can define complex dependency chains that include branching and nested chains. Prioritize jobs based on business requirements. The scheduler provides control over resource allocation among competing jobs, thus aligning job processing with your business needs. This is accomplished in the following ways. Controlling resources by job class. You can group jobs that share common characteristics and behavior into larger entities called job classes. You can prioritize among the classes by controlling the resources allocated to each class. Therefore, you can ensure that your critical jobs have priority and enough resources to complete. For example, for a critical project to load a data warehouse, you can combine all the data warehousing jobs into one class and give it priority over other jobs by allocating a high percentage of the available resources to it. You can also assign relative priorities to the jobs within a job class. Controlling job prioritization based on schedules. You can change job priorities based on a schedule. Because your definition of a critical job can change over time, the scheduler also enables you to change the priority among your jobs over that time frame. For example, extract, transfer, and load, ETL, jobs used to load a data warehouse may be critical during non-peak hours but not during peak hours. Additionally, jobs that must run during the close of a business quarter may need to take priority over the ETL jobs. In these cases, you can change the priority among the job classes by changing the resources allocated to each class. Manage and monitor jobs. You can manage and monitor the multiple states that jobs go through, from creation to completion. The scheduler logs activity so that you can easily track information such as the status of the job and the last runtime of the job by querying views using Enterprise Manager or SQL. These views provide valuable information about jobs and their execution that can help you schedule and better manage your jobs. For example, a DBA can easily track all jobs that failed for a particular user. When you create a multiple destination job, a job that is defined at one database but that runs on multiple remote hosts, you can monitor the status of the job at each destination individually or the overall status of the parent job as a whole. For advanced job monitoring, your applications can subscribe to job state change notifications that the scheduler delivers in event queues. The scheduler can also send email notifications when a job changes state. Execute and manage jobs in a clustered environment. A cluster is a set of database instances that cooperates to perform the same task. Oracle Real Application Clusters, Oracle RAC, provides scalability and reliability without any change to your applications. The scheduler fully supports execution of jobs in such a clustered environment. To balance the load on your system and for better performance, you can also specify the database service where you want a job to run. Now let's discuss about Oracle Globalization. The Globalization support in Oracle Database enables you to store, process, and retrieve data in native languages. It ensures that database utilities, error messages, sort order, and date, time, monetary, numeric, and calendar conventions automatically adapt to any native language and locale. In the past, Oracle referred to globalization support capabilities as National Language Support, NLS, features. NLS is actually a subset of globalization support. NLS is the ability to choose a national language and store data in a specific character set. Globalization support enables you to develop multilingual applications and software products that can be accessed and run from anywhere in the world simultaneously. An application can render content of the user interface and process data in the native user's languages and locale preferences. Oracle Database Globalization support is implemented with the Oracle NLS Runtime Library, NLSRTL. The NLSRTL provides a comprehensive suite of language-independent functions that perform proper text and character processing and language convention manipulations. Behavior of these functions for a specific language and territory is governed by a set of locale-specific data that is identified and loaded at runtime. The locale-specific data is structured as independent sets of data for each locale that Oracle Database supports. The data for a particular locale can be loaded independently of other locale data. The advantages of this design are: you can manage memory consumption by choosing the set of locales that you need. You can add and customize locale data for a specific locale without affecting other locales. That was all on Oracle Database Administrator tutorial. You can prepare your Oracle certification exam with these session, and you can get some assignment and practice questions on the website. Hope you liked this session. We will get back with some more topic. Till then, stay connected. Thank you.